In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Figma to Android Studio 2025. By the end, you'll know how to turn a Figma design into Android XML or Jetpack Compose code and get it running inside your project with confidence. First, you'll need a Figma to Code plugin. In Figma, open the plugins menu and browse the community to search for options like Upspeed or Builder.io Figma to Code. Install one that explicitly supports Android XML or Jetpack Compose. Take a moment to read its description and reviews so you know what output to expect and whether it maps Figma styles to Android tokens like colors, text styles, and spacing. Next, open your Figma file and select the exact frame, screen, or component you want to export. Make sure you're selecting the parent frame of the screen rather than individual layers because most plugins generate cleaner code from a single, well-structured frame. If you've used auto layout, consistent layer names, and shared styles in Figma, you'll typically get much better code output. Run the plugin from your file by right-clicking the canvas or using the plugins menu. The plugin will open in a panel and detect your current selection. If your file is large, give it a moment to parse the layers. Keep the selection focused on one screen or component for the best results. Inside the plugin, choose your export target, Android XML or Jetpack Compose. You may be prompted to log into your Figma account to authorize access. Before generating, check the plugin's options for density units, typography mapping, and color handling. Opt for DP and SP where possible, and map Figma text styles and color styles to Android resources if the plugin supports it. Then generate the code. Copy the generated code to your clipboard. Many plugins also show a list of required resources such as images, colors, or fonts. Note those so you can prepare them in your Android project. Switch to Android Studio and open either the XML layout file or the Kotlin file with your composable function, depending on the export type you chose. Paste the code in place. Expect to do a bit of manual cleanup to fit your project structure. Update package imports. Replace hard-coded values with your dimensions, colors, and styles, and add any missing drawables or font files. If you're using Compose, resolve missing dependencies and run a preview to verify the layout. If you're using XML, check your view groups and constraints and ensure your design theme matches your app's theme. That's it. With the right plugin, a clean Figma selection, and a few targeted adjustments in Android Studio, you can bridge design to code quickly and reliably.